At Simpson College, I've really been encouraged to partake in research. There's been the Summer Research Symposium that I've presented at, this Undergraduate Research Symposium, and there's always pushes for summer opportunities for research experience for undergraduates that the faculty really encourage you to partake in, and I have partaken in one of those.
It gave me a lot of research experience, both like field experience as well as just learning how to write and communicate our results. As you can see in here, we're already talking to one another and other researchers about our work, so we get to have that the experience of working with colleagues, communicating scientific research, because that's helpful to me because I want to go to grad school, especially in ecology. And then the field research components itself, our field methods have been very beneficial to me in my own job interviews as they ask me about my own field research experience and my abilities.
One of the greatest things that I've been able to do is have this opportunity because it's allowed me to develop critical thinking skills. It's allowed me to look at many different aspects of life just through a different light. It's also allowed me to just appreciate biology on a whole new, deeper level.
There are so many different things that make it such an exceptional experience for the students, and as a faculty member, to see the way that students take ownership of their scholarship, the way they actually become active participants in their fields. They're not just passively receiving knowledge, they're not just studying for an exam, they're actually contributing to the field that they're looking at. And it's really remarkable. I particularly enjoy seeing students that I have in my classes but aren't religion majors. I'm a professor of religion, and to see what they're doing in their science classes, to see what they're doing in their math classes, to see them outside of the area that I usually see them in, and to see them really come alive with their research. It's great.
I mean, I think any school would have some sort of research opportunities, and I think when you think of research, people might think of the big school, U of I or Iowa State. And they certainly have a lot of resources for research. I think what's unique about Simpson is that you really can, even if you develop your own idea, you can find a professor to do that, because that ratio of faculty to students means that we get to know students individually. We can work with individual students or groups of students. So I think you can get that attention from faculty in doing independent projects by yourself or with a small group. So I think research at a smaller school is beneficial in ways because you get that personal interaction with the faculty members. So
I'm so glad that I went to Simpson College because we were able to have that one-on-one relationship with the faculty, and they're able to explain anything that, especially on the research aspect, to explain those difficult papers to you on a more deeper level so that you're able to understand those things.
I think they give me background knowledge that I don't have. They also give me inputs, guidance, wisdom on where I should go with my topic. I think that would be hard to find in a textbook. And they've also basically said, we trust what you're going to do with this topic, you need to take it off, figure out what you're going to do with it, and just run with it. And they guided me along the way, and I kind of got to where I am now.
I would say, like, the classroom experience of working with a professor is always beneficial. You learn a lot from them, but the time outside where it's more one-on-one, where it's interactive, you can actually ask questions, they provide immediate feedback, has been fantastic.
I feel like I would not have been encouraged or known about the amazing opportunity that participating in a research experience for undergrad would be had I been at a different university.
I don't think that I would have done this big of a research project if I had not come to Simpson College.
I would definitely recommend research to anyone that has the time and the gumption to do it, because it'll only have positive feedback.